Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got an unbagging for you. But before I get into this, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate every one of you, and I hope y'all are enjoying the videos, and please consider giving me a thumbs up. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing and hitting the little bell. That way you know when I have new videos. So, y'all, this comes from GBFKE. Y'all, I love saying that. It's just like, it just kind of rolls off your tongue. GBFKE. GBFKE. I don't know. Y'all, I'm losing it. Alright, so they have got all kinds of stuff, y'all. Their site is, oh my. And y'all, right now they have got a buy 6, get 1 free. Plus they have free shipping over 60 bucks. Okay? So that's not bad, because you can get a ton of stuff for 60 bucks. Alright, so the first one I'm going to pull out, I'm going to set this in over to the side, is this kit. Now, this is a little 30 by 40, and it is poured glue, full round drill, and it is called, let me look over here. It is called Bamboo Flower Basket of Flowers. Alright, comes with a regular toolkit, and there's, ooh, look at them colors, y'all. Those are so pretty. But it comes pre-bagged, and all of the bags, looks like it has, all the bags are numbered, and the DMC is on the bags. Alright, so I'm going to roll this backwards. Just like I said, it is poured glue. Now, this is on their website, $4.57. Okay? And this is what it is. Alright, so up at the top it says 30 by 40. There's the thumbnail. And it has a schematic on the top left, bottom right. And there are 20 colors. And it looks like it's all, well, there's a couple numbers, but for the most part it is the alphabet. And it does have the DMC numbers on the schematic and also on the bags. So, y'all, look at how pretty this is. So, very, very sticky. And the plastic's actually kind of thick on here too. So, if you can tell, it is a basket of flowers, but what's inside the basket is a basket of kittens. And I thought it was just really, really, really cute, y'all. Alright, so there's a butterfly, there's a hummingbird, there's all kinds of flowers, there's a snail, there's a kitten, there's a kitten, and there's a kitten. Looks like a bug, some kind of bug. I don't know, not sure. But yeah, can you see them? I know my my light is glaring, so I hope you can see them. So, very, very, very clear canvas. Wow. Y'all, my thumb is stained with blueberries. I love eating frozen blueberries, and apparently so does Booger. So, me and him's been snacking on frozen blueberries. But, okay, anyway, sorry. I just happened to look through my camera and seen that my fingernail looked dirty, but it's not. It's just blueberry stains. It'll come off in a few days. So, yeah, here's the basket and all the flowers, and then there's the 1, 2, and 3 kittens. You can barely see that one, but you can see his little blue eyes. That one's got yellow eyes, and then I can only see the one blue eye of that one. So that one's a black and white. That looks like maybe a Siamese and a white kitten. But yeah, look at that. And these colors, y'all. Look at these colors. So I'm not going to get these all out because I can guarantee you they are in order. But we can look at some of them. See. They look like really good. I don't see any pitting. Yeah, these are so pretty, y'all. Look at that green. Those greens are gorgeous. Okay, so like I said, this one was $4.57, and it is a 30 by 40 poured glue round, and it is called Bamboo Flower Basket of Flowers. Very pretty. I really like this one. And I'm not even a real big cat person, but I like that. Alright, so the last one in the bag is a mystery kit, y'all. And I'm afraid I'm going to be able to tell what it is, but then again, I really don't care because I think they're fun anyway. So, let's see. Alright, I am going to roll it quickly. It is a round, no, this is a full square drill, and it is poured glue. So, I can roll it backwards, so no big deal. Alright, so before we look at that, I'm just going to put it like this, let it flatten out. Alright, so, in the toolkit, looks like you get a double toolkit, or oh, maybe you don't. Maybe they just accidentally were stuck together. But anyway, I got 2 toolkits, which are just standard toolkits with some baggies. Okay. And again, they have the drills that are in the little individuals, which I don't have a problem with these drills. It's just sometimes you get them and you can see like right there, the numbers are like too far down and they get cut off, and then sometimes you might get a bag and you don't have a color, the number written on it. So sometimes it just gets hard to figure out what is what. But look at those colors, y'all. Whatever this is, it's going to be very colorful. There are yellows, blues, dark blues, pinks, some orange, some purples, greens. And I love squares, y'all. I am a square person. I love my squares. I have more rounds than I do squares, but I do love my squares. So, that is so super pretty. Okay. Alright, y'all. This canvas, there's no name. It's just a mystery canvas. Original price is $25 by 46. Or, bleh, $25.46. It is a 40 by 50. It is on sale right now. Y'all, listen to what I'm saying. It is on sale right now for $9.66. Yes, right? You heard me. $25 canvas for $9. Come on. You know. Alright, so I can sort of see it, but I ain't real sure. Do I have it? Ooh, I have it upside down. Okay. Oh, uh-oh. I can see it. Y'all, I'm not mad. I'm not. Can y'all see what it is? Can y'all see what it is? If you can't, I ain't saying. I'm not even going to tell you what it is. Okay. I can see it, and I am not mad. I love it. Alright, so it has got 26 colors, and it does have the DMC, and we do have symbols and letters. But y'all, very clear canvas, and like I said, I'm going to say it again, $25.46 on sale for $9.66. Y'all, run. Don't walk. Run to GBFKE and get you one. I love mystery canvases. They are so much fun. And you know, even though I can see what this is, the fun part about it is with all of this being black and white and gray, you don't see the color. So once you start putting them drills on and that color starts coming out and this picture starts coming, that's the fun part to me, is just, it just like magically appearing. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, love it. And the colors on it, y'all, so pretty. So pretty. Alright, so recap. Again, 40 by 50 full square poured glue. Original price for the mystery kit is $25.46. On sale right now for $9.66. Now, y'all, I don't know how long the sale goes, so if you like mystery kits, you best get over and get you one. Alright, so this one is the bamboo flower basket of flowers. It is a poured glue, full round, 30 by 40, and it is $4.57. And right now they have got a buy 6, get 1 free, and they have free shipping over $60. And also, y'all, they got stuff for cross stitch. So if you're a cross stitcher, go over and get you something, because they got all kinds of stuff, y'all. They've got stickers, they have got bottle bags, they've got tools, they've got keychains, they've got storage, they've got y'all, they got all kinds of stuff. All kinds of stuff. So, GBFKE, thank you so much for allowing me to show your products. And y'all, I'm very impressed. Very impressed. So, until my next video, I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.